What is up, guys? Today is Tuesday, August 22nd, I think. Not sure, don't hold me to it. Just like always, I never know the day or the date. But the kids are at their mother's, because their papa's funeral is today, so they're doing that. They'll be home later. I was going to vlog yesterday, because Mom and I were out running around, but I forgot to put a memory card in my camera. I had the camera and everything, and then I went to go freaking vlog and say something, like say good morning, and I was like, 20 seconds, that's all I have, and then I looked. That's pretty dirty. And so, yeah, that's the deal. I've been sick, you could probably hear, but today I'm tackling, sorry, that was a really close up, the garage, because it's a disaster because of my freaking furniture. Like, project, 2 projects stacked up, project, tools that I use for a project, tool that I use for a project. Like, it's literally all my stuff. Oh, project, work, top, space, whatever. Paints, bullshit, whatever. It's, guys, it's all clean. Well, kind of. We still have a lot of shit, but now it's just put nicely away. So we have our bikes that we ride, the kids and I, and then a project I'm working on right now, a spool table, and then a kitchen table that I'm doing custom. And those are my only 2 projects that I'm working on proactively. And so those are all towards the front. And it only took me like 3 hours, I think, so it wasn't too bad. But still a lot of work, and now I need to go shower. Alright, guys, it is now 5:57, and I'm going to Taco Tuesday with my cousins and my sister. My 2 cousins and their baby is in from Guam, and my other cousin and her boyfriend are in from Colorado. So it's gonna be fun. I probably won't vlog there because I just not comfortable yet with the whole being out vlogging thing. So we will see. Alright, so I am back in the car per usual, and I am going to my mom's house, and then we are gonna go out to someplace to get her windshield replaced because she cracked it. Well, she didn't, but you know what I mean. And then I think we're gonna go to like IKEA maybe or something just to walk around. I hate IKEA furniture. Being a furniture flipper, it's like the worst nightmare because it's horrible quality shit. And yeah, but we'll just go walk around there while it's fixing, I guess. I don't know. Maybe go grab something to eat because I am starving. So yeah, I think I'm gonna stop at Quick Trip. Alright, I got a secret message that there is a dresser on the side of the road that looks pretty sturdy, so I'm gonna go check it out. We're at IKEA. And we got nothing except some magazines because I want to look through them. Alright, so we are now on the way home. Well, just me. They didn't even get to my mom's freaking car, which is kind of bullshit because they told us it'd be done at 1, so we showed up at like 1:15, and he's like, oh yeah, we haven't even started it yet. So I'm gonna go home and probably like work on some furniture or something. I don't know, do something productive since I've blown the whole day away waiting on these freaking cockroaches. What's up, guys? Today's August 24th. I am heading to my mom's again, same plan as yesterday because they're an idiot, so we have to go because they're dumb, and we have to go get her windshield fixed because they didn't do it yesterday. And then she's gonna go get her windows retinted, and then Chloe has gymnastics, so it's gonna be not fun, a full day of just running around, not doing much. Chloe's gymnastics is fun, but the other stuff isn't. We made it. Ooh, that's cold. Back in the creek that we found. I'm always in the creek. But I'm a Missourian, what do you expect? It's super freaking cold. So pretty. Mom was scared to fall, so she stayed up there. Jump! That'd be cool. Hi, buddy. Hi.
Hey guys, so right now we are at the gymnastics place. I just got off from school on the bus, so let's go to gymnastics.
What's up, guys? Today is the 25th. We don't know. Today is the 25th. I could have swore yesterday was the 25th, so hopefully I didn't say yesterday was the 25th because I would have been wrong. Anyways, it's 4 o'clock right now. I'm just going to Aldi's real quick because we need a few things at the house. Then we're waiting for the kids to get off the bus around 4:30, and then I don't know what they're gonna do. I'll probably just, I don't know. No idea. We will see where it takes us, but today I had to go get a new bank account. Well, not a new one, but another one